Well, here at Riva's Radical Rides, we have a new tow truck. It's a half-ton Chev. We're Hey Mitch, your car broke down there?
All the way to the scrap yard. Yeah.
Fuck, dude, let's go to L&L like that. Boom.
I want this turn.
Why am I pushing the brakes? It's not stuff.
There's no brakes. I took them out. Just park them both right beside the Ford.
It's a tough fucking Dodge, eh? It's pushing a Chev.
Hey?
It's a tough Dodge pushing a Chev.
I was gonna say, just park it up to,
Well, I don't even want to turn with that.
Why?
It looks better with the lower balance, eh? Glad we removed it.
Why don't you want to turn? What's wrong with it?
He's afraid it'll fall off.
So? You're not even the guy sitting in the car.
It's,
The mayor's gonna fucking shit.